In this video, I want to share one of the best spying tool of TikTok. There are people on TikTok who are generating thousands of dollars every single day. Not week, not month, every single day. And this spying tool is going to tell you what kind of videos they are using, what products they are promoting, which product is converting very good, how many affiliates are there that are promoting the similar product from the vendor, TikTok shop, analysis, how many units are being sold, everything in one dashboard. It's one of the best tools out there to spy on everyone, which type of video the TikTok users are using to promote these products. Are they sponsored videos, non-sponsored videos, free videos, paid videos? Is it TikTok shop? What is it? Everything is going to be revealed on this one dashboard. So what you need to do is you need to pause this video right now and go to this website address that's popping up on your screen. Open up a new browser and go to this website address and create your free account. And let me show you how to create your free account. So I'm going to pause myself for you to open up a new browser and go to this website address. Okay, I guess you have opened up a new browser, you have typed this website address, hit enter, and you're going to come to a page just like this, okay? So let me just open it up for you and show you what you need to do to actually go and create your free account. So we're going to get rid of this, okay? And then down here at the top, you're going to see here, it says here, start free trial, okay? Start free trial. You're going to click on this start free trial. You're going to come here. You're going to enter your email address here, and then you're going to click on send code. Okay, you're going to send code. Then you're going to log into your email address and you're going to find the code. Okay, now if you don't see the code within 5 minutes, then check your spam folder, junk folder. Okay, get the code from there, copy and paste the code here, and then click on continue. And when you click on continue, you're going to find details to create your username, your email, your password, etc. And there you go. Boom. Your account is going to be created. Okay. So it's that simple and that easy. Okay. So that's how you create an account. Once you have created your account, you're going to see a dashboard just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to show you some of the peaks of this powerful spying tool. So check this out. Okay, let me just go here, sales rank. Okay, so check this out. This person, let's just click on this. Okay, so you can see here, this person is selling a beauty product. Okay, basically a beauty product. And you could see here, she has sold 101,000 units of this product. Okay, you could see she has generated over 1.2 million pounds. Now it's reflecting United Kingdom because I'm based in United Kingdom, but I could go here and I could select any country from the left hand side to see what's going on. Okay, you could see here the popularity score. I could scroll down and I could see that there are 356 affiliates promoting the same product. The average daily sale is up to 41,000 units being sold every single day. You can see the shoppable video is 558. You can see the video, 226,000 pounds. Okay, so everything is being told and telling me what product is converting, what product people are selling, and you can see sponsored video, non-sponsored video, okay, and what kind of video is this lady using to sell this. So you can see in the last 28 days, okay, let's just come here. In the last 28 days, she has sold 3,000 units, okay. She has generated over £37,000 And this one video got 2.5 million views. So check this out. This one video generated 3,000 units sold. She generated £37,000 and she got 2.5 million views. And it's a sponsored video. That means she's running ads. That's you could see here. Now, if you want to look at the video, you could also click on the video to see the video, what kind of video it is. You could create an AI video insight. You could create an AI script rewriting. You could do AI smart slices and create a similar video using this spying tool. Okay, this tool that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. You could create a similar video by downloading this video, okay, and downloading the video and then making a couple of changes and doing a lot of cool stuff using this same spying tool, and then just making it into a unique version and then re-uploading this type of video to your own TikTok channel and promoting the same product that this tool is telling us that this is converting very, very good, very, very fast, and people are making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single day, not week, not month, not year, every single day. So this tool is one of the great tools. If you still haven't created your account, go to this website address that's popping up right on the screen, open up a new browser, create your account, go through this, click on each link to get familiar with this tool. There's so much information on this tool, on this dashboard, that is hard to digest. It's just in just one day, so it's going to take you at least a couple of days to get familiar with everything, learning everything, seeing everything, what the type of videos, sponsored ad, units sold, products that they are promoting, everything. So this is something that's gonna save you months and years, because when it comes to promoting any kind of product, whether it's your own product or an affiliate product, okay, it can take time. It can take even weeks, months and years for you to find the right product that's going to convert and put you in profit. What this tool does, it takes out all the heavy lifting for you, okay? So it does all the heavy lifting for you, and it allows you to take the shortcut path to finding the right product instantly, creating videos about that product using their own tool, a 45-second video just like this, okay, and just uploading it to TikTok, and boom, you're going to start seeing sales, because it's already proven that this is generating sales and commissions for thousands of members, okay? So go to this website address, create your account, go through this tool. It's one of the best underground spying tool for TikTok users, whether you're going to promote as an affiliate the TikTok shop, whether you're going to promote affiliate products, digital affiliate products, Amazon products, physical products, or your local country store products, mall products, whatever you want to do. This is the get-go tool that's going to tell you whether this product is working, it's not working, whether it's converting, whether people are going to make money with this or not going to make money. If they are making money, how many units are being sold, how many people are affiliates of this product, is going to work on. Are they doing sponsored ads? Are they doing free videos? What are they doing? You could even carbon copy that video, download it to your computer, rewrite it, the script, and everything is on this page. Okay, so it's one of the best tools out there. You can't skip this, you can't miss this. Okay, so go ahead, get this tool, okay, and go through this tool and take action. Don't just go through the videos and look what people are doing. Start doing something. Start taking action. Start implementing what you see on this tool and start crushing it using TikTok traffic.